Picture this. You're trying to enjoy a walk with your grandkids, but your legs feel like they're auditioning for a role as water balloons. Swollen, stiff, maybe even tingling. Oh, and your joints? They're creaking louder than your old rocking chair. If you're over 60, your body's sending you an SOS, and it's screaming for collagen. Here's the kicker. You can fight back with 8 delicious foods that'll have your legs and joints feeling spry again. Stick around, because one of these foods might shock you. It's something you've probably been tossing out for years. Hi friends, welcome back to our health channel, where we're all about helping you thrive after 60. Today, we're diving into 8 collagen-packed foods to reduce leg swelling, strengthen joints, and get you moving comfortably. If you love our tips, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us keep going. Collagen is like the glue holding your body together, keeping joints flexible, skin firm, and legs strong. But after 60, your body makes 75% less of it, which can lead to swelling, stiffness, or that annoying tingling. The good news, you can boost collagen naturally with food. Let's explore 8 game changers. First up, egg yolks. Yep, those golden gems we were told to avoid. They're collagen superstars, packed with glycine and proline, amino acids that rebuild your joints and skin. A 2020 study from the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found seniors eating whole eggs 4 times a week had 24% higher collagen levels and less joint stiffness in 6 weeks. Poach or soft-boil them with some spinach for a collagen-boosting breakfast. Trust me, your legs will thank you. Next, papaya. This juicy fruit has papain, an enzyme that helps your body absorb collagen-building proteins. A 2023 nutrient study showed seniors eating papaya daily for 12 weeks saw 33% better skin elasticity and 28% less leg discomfort. Eat it right, maybe with a squeeze of lime for a morning collagen kick. Here's a surprise. Chicken skin. Don't toss it. It's loaded with type 1 collagen, vital for firm skin and resilient joints. A 2022 clinical interventions in aging study found eating it 3 times weekly boosted collagen density by 31% in seniors. Bake or roast it, never deep fry, to keep it healthy. Or simmer it into a rich broth for sipping. Sardines are next. These little fish, eaten with skin and bones, are collagen gold mines. A 2021 European Journal of Clinical Nutrition study linked sardines to 19% better circulation and 27% less ankle swelling. Try them on toast with lemon juice. Delicious and joint-friendly. Bone marrow sounds fancy, but it's just the gooey stuff inside bones. It's bursting with collagen and hyaluronic acid, which lubricates joints. A 2019 Journal of Clinical Rheumatology study showed marrow broth improved joint flexibility by 36% in 8 weeks. Roast beef bones, spread the marrow on toast, or make broth for daily sips. Gelatin, not the sugary kind, is a collagen powerhouse. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found 10 grams daily improved skin hydration by 45% and reduced joint stiffness. Stir unflavored gelatin into tea, or make fruit gels with berries. Finally, bone broth. It's the ultimate collagen elixir with types 1, 2, and 3 collagen. A 2021 Geriatric Health and Nutrition study showed daily broth reduced leg pain by 34% and boosted activity levels. Simmer bones with vinegar for 24 hours for maximum benefits. These 8 foods can transform how your legs and joints feel. Start small, maybe eggs for breakfast or a warm cup of bone broth. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. We love hearing your stories. If this helped, give us a like and share it with a friend. Here's to moving better, feeling stronger, and thriving after 60. See you next time.